Welcome to Perth Tailoring Co. 3 of the most commonly asked questions that we get asked in our studio in wedding season. Question 1 would be, how much would my wedding dress alteration cost me? The easiest way for me to explain that is if you can imagine building your dream home, but the builder hasn't seen the design, nor have they seen you. It is the same analogy that I use to answer the first question. If you are picking up the phone and you're asking, what is the cost of my alterations? The hardest thing about that is we don't actually know what you look like, where to take it on in, what construction it is, what design is it, or what we really need to do to it. So the possibilities are infinite. The next question would be, well, have you got an average price that you can guide me? And I usually ask this question. Is there an average design in a wedding gown? Or is there an average size to a body? And their answer is no. Unfortunately, there is no average body type, nor is there an average dress, design, or size. But if you do call around and you happen to get someone that can quote you an average over the phone without even seeing you, just be careful of that. Because if you really think about it, logically, it is actually impossible to quote without seeing you. The next question would be, how long would my wedding dress take to alter? Unfortunately, it's exactly the same as the first question. And again, we haven't actually seen the dress. So therefore, we don't actually know how long it would take us. Now, it's not exactly the answer that most clients want to hear, because I do understand that you would want to shop around and find a price before committing to it. At Perth Tailoring Co, we understand this. So we encourage you to make an appointment with us to get a free consultation. That way we get to see exactly what the dress looks like, what you look like, but more importantly, we get to fit it on you so that you can see what you look like after it's pinned, and you can get the exact quote before we even start. From there, you can A, have a think about it, or B, if you're happy with it, continue with us. Either way, we understand that this is a very special occasion, so we'll give you the time and space for you to actually make your decision. No pressures at all. The day that you're about to have is one of the most important days that you will remember. The last thing you want to do is have another thing you need to worry about. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact any of our staff. We're here to help. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care, and we hope to hear from you soon.